Hello, kindergartners. It's Miss Kelly here again today. Welcome to your Bridges math activity. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. We are working on Unit 3, Module 2, Session 2. All right, let's get started. Today our objectives are I can count backward from any number in the range of 10 to 1. So counting backwards would be starting at 10 and going backwards to 1. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I can represent subtraction with an object. So we'll work on that later. I'll show you what I mean when I say represent subtraction with an object. Today's plan, we are going to hear a story called Butterfly Countdown. We will act out the story. We are going to use Unifix cubes to retell the story. So retelling the story is when you already listened to the story one time, and then you can say what happens in the story by retelling it. All right, let's get started. Butterfly Countdown. Butterfly Countdown, written by Donna Burke. Donna Burke is the author because she wrote the words. Illustrated by Tyson Smith. Think in your head. Do you remember what an illustrator is? What does the illustrator do in a book? The author writes the words. So what would the illustrator do? The illustrator draws the pictures. That's right. 10 lovely butterflies over a garden fine. One stopped to sip some nectar, and then there were 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 lovely butterflies hovering over a gate. One stopped to rest a while, then there were 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 9th one, but he's resting. 8 lovely butterflies flying towards heaven. One found a tree in bloom. Then there were 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lovely butterflies. Such a pretty mix. One saw some flowers to sip. Then there were 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lovely butterflies saw a large beehive. One stopped to find some honey. Then there were 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lovely butterflies flying near a door. One saw some flowers for sale. Then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lovely butterflies flying oh so free. One stopped to see the pumpkins. Then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, look at those pumpkins. We learned about pumpkins a few weeks ago. What are these leafy things called? Do you remember what this leafy thing is that pumpkins grow off of? A vine. That's right, that's the pumpkin vine. 3 lovely butterflies in the morning dew. One stopped to see some plants. Then there were 2. 1, 2. 2 lovely butterflies in the midday sun. One got a bit too hot. Then there was 1. 1 lovely butterfly said, "Being lonely is no fun." She left to find her friends, and then there were none. All right. We are going to go back and we are going to reread our story. And we are going to act out our story with our Unifix cubes. So let me find the first page. All right, let's get our Unifix cubes. Miss Kelly's going to move my circle over here. All right, so the first page says 10 lovely butterflies over a garden fine. One stopped to sip some nectar, and then there were 9. So how many did we start out with? We started out with 10. So let's get our 10 frame, and we're going to put 10 cubes. Maybe I have to move it over a little bit. Yep. All right, it said there were 10 butterflies. There's 3, 4, 5. There's our 5 frame. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have 10 butterflies. Oh my goodness, hang on. Miss Kelly just messed it all up. Okay, 10 butterflies. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's 10. These are our butterflies. We have 10 butterflies. All right, so it said 10 lovely butterflies over a garden fine. 1 stopped to sip some nectar. Then there were 9. So if one of the butterflies left to sip some nectar, we only have 9 butterflies left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Let's try the next page. Nine lovely butterflies hovering over a gate. 1 stopped to rest a while. Then there were, let's see, if we have 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we have 9 and one of them stopped to rest for a little while, how many do we have now if we take away 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 comes before 9. Good. Let's try the next page. 8 lovely butterflies flying towards heaven. 1 found a tree in bloom, and then there were, what? How many do you have if you have 8 and then you take away one of them? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh. All right, here's 8. If we take away 1, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. Let's try a new page. 7 lovely butterflies. Such a pretty mix. 1 saw some flowers to sip. Then there were, all right, we have 7. 1, 2, we'll use different colors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, if we have 7 and we take away one of them, because remember, one of them stopped, and so we lost one. Take away 1. How many do we have now? There's our 5, plus 1 more, 6. Good. Let's try this page. 1 lovely butterfly said, "Being lonely is no fun." She left to find her friends. Uh-oh, I skipped ahead. 6 lovely butterflies saw a large beehive. 1 stopped to find some honey, and then there were, so we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if we take away 1, how many do we have? We have to take away 1. 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 lovely butterflies flying near a door. 1 saw some flowers for sale, and then there were, all right, we have 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 and we take away 1, how many do we have? That's right, we have 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's try this page. 4 lovely butterflies, flying oh so free. One stopped to see the pumpkins, and then there were... All right, we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Good. 3 lovely butterflies in the morning dew. One stopped to see some plants, and then there were... Let's make it with our cubes. So we have 3, and one stopped to see some plants. So 2 minus 1, or 3 minus 1 is 2. Good. 2 lovely butterflies in the midday sun. One got a bit too hot, and then there was 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here's our last page. 1 lovely butterfly. Being lonely is no fun, so she left to find her friends. And then there were none or 0. Good. Awesome. All right, let's review our objectives. Our objectives were, I can count backward from any number in the range of 10 to 1. And we did that when we were subtracting our butterflies. I can represent subtraction with an object. That's what we did with our cubes. So we added how many cubes there were on our 10 frame, and then we took away 1, and that told us how many we were left with. All right, my friends, you are going to go work on your Home Connections book, page 57 to 62. And this is page 57 right here. Miss Kelly just wanted to give you an example of what it looked like. So you're going to do 57 to 62. It's kind of a lot of activities, so if you need to take a break and maybe save some for later, or you can save a few of the pages for tomorrow too if you want to, that's totally fine. So here's your activity for today. All right, my friends, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.